Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn. I'm your host, Jami, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for today's Essential English Q&A practice session. Whether you are a beginner looking to build foundational confidence or an intermediate speaker aiming for greater fluency, this session is perfect for you. Today, we have prepared a high-impact set of 50 sentences structured in a rapid-fire question and answer style, designed to improve your English-speaking rhythm and articulation. Here is how it works. I will read the question, then I will give you the suggested answer, starting with "you can answer." Your job is to repeat that suggested answer out loud, immediately, and clearly. Finally, we will use the phrase "repeat again" to signal the end of that specific practice loop. We are dividing our practice into two focused parts. Our first part focuses on simple daily life and quick facts to get your voice warmed up. Remember, consistency is key. The more you speak, the more natural and automatic your English responses become. So take a deep breath, find a comfortable spot, and let's dive straight in. Let's get started and make your English sound natural and confident. Are you feeling well today? You can answer, "Yes, I am feeling well today." Repeat again. Did you eat breakfast? You can answer, "No, I did not eat breakfast." Repeat again. Is your family nearby? You can answer, "Yes, my family is nearby." Repeat again. Can you see the clouds? You can answer, "Yes, I can see the clouds." Repeat again. Is English hard to learn? You can answer, "No, English is not hard to learn." Repeat again. Do you have a favorite color? You can answer, "Yes, I have a favorite color." Repeat again. Did they go to the market? You can answer, "Yes, they went to the market." Repeat again. Are you listening right now? You can answer, "Yes, I am listening right now." Repeat again. Is the pen next to the book? You can answer, "No, the pen is not next to the book." Repeat again. Do you live in a city? You can answer, "Yes, I live in a city." Repeat again. Can you swim well? You can answer, "No, I cannot swim well." Repeat again. Is the sun shining? You can answer, "Yes, the sun is shining." Repeat again. Did she arrive late? You can answer, "No, she did not arrive late." Repeat again. Are you watching TV? You can answer, "No, I am not watching TV." Repeat again. Do you need help? You can answer, "Yes, I need help." Repeat again. Is your phone silent? You can answer, "Yes, my phone is silent." Repeat again. Can they play football? You can answer, "Yes, they can play football." Repeat again. Did you buy a new hat? You can answer, "No, I did not buy a new hat." Repeat again. Is your house big? You can answer, "No, my house is not big." Repeat again. Do you prefer summer? You can answer, "Yes, I prefer summer." Repeat again. Are the instructions clear? You can answer, "Yes, the instructions are clear." Repeat again. Can he remember names? You can answer, "No, he cannot remember names." Repeat again. Did you travel recently? You can answer, yes, I traveled recently. Repeat again. Is the noise too loud? You can answer, no, the noise is not too loud. Repeat again. Do you enjoy cooking? You can answer, yes, I enjoy cooking. Repeat again. Are you tired now? You can answer, no, I am not tired now. Repeat again. Can you spell that word? You can answer, yes, I can spell that word. Repeat again. Did they start the game? You can answer, yes, they started the game. Repeat again. Is patience a virtue? You can answer, yes, patience is a virtue. Repeat again. Do you like sweet coffee? You can answer, no, I do not like sweet coffee. Repeat again. Great job completing the simple sentences. Now, let's step up the challenge with our 10 medium-length sentences. Listen carefully for the details. Excellent practice, everyone. That completes our first part focusing on daily life. Now, let's move on to the next set of questions covering future plans and career goals. Get ready to think bigger. Are you planning to travel next year? You can answer, yes, I am planning to travel next year. Do you want to learn a new skill? You can answer, yes, I want to learn a new skill. Is a promotion your current goal? You can answer, yes, a promotion is my current goal. Can you start your own business? You can answer, no, I cannot start my own business yet. Did you update your resume? You can answer, yes, I updated my resume. Is networking very important? You can answer, yes, networking is very important. Do you save money every month? You can answer, yes, I save money every month. Are you taking a course online? You can answer, no, I am not taking a course online. Can you speak 2 languages? You can answer, yes, I can speak 2 languages. Did you set long-term goals? You can answer, yes, I set long-term goals. Is punctuality a key to success? You can answer, yes, punctuality is a key to success. Do you read leadership books? You can answer, no, I do not read leadership books. Are you happy with your job? You can answer, yes, I am happy with my job. Can a mentor truly help you? You can answer, yes, a mentor can truly help me. Did they offer a pay raise? You can answer, no, they did not offer a pay raise. Is financial freedom important? You can answer, yes, financial freedom is important. Do you like working in a team? You can answer, yes, I like working in a team. Are deadlines stressful for you? You can answer, no, deadlines are not stressful for me. Can technology replace your job? You can answer, no, technology cannot replace my job. Did you attend a workshop? You can answer, yes, I attended a workshop. Is communication skill vital? You can answer, yes, communication skill is vital. Do you check market trends? You can answer, yes, I check market trends. Are you planning to move home? You can answer, no, I am not planning to move home. Can you work under pressure? You can answer, yes, I can work under pressure. Did you research investments? You can answer, yes, I researched investments. Is risk-taking necessary sometimes? You can answer, yes. Risk-taking is necessary sometimes. Do you have a personal brand? You can answer, no, I do not have a personal brand. Are professional exams difficult? You can answer, yes, professional exams are difficult. Can a degree guarantee success? You can answer, no, a degree cannot guarantee success. Did you finish the big report? You can answer, yes, I finished the big report. We've finished the simple practice for part 2. Now, let's challenge our brains with the next 10 medium-length sentences. Get ready to articulate more complex ideas. Did you successfully save enough money this past month to comfortably purchase the expensive new advanced computer software? You can answer, no, I did not successfully save enough money this past month to comfortably purchase the expensive new advanced computer software. Are you planning to enroll in the intermediate level Spanish language course when the next university semester officially begins in January? You can answer, yes, I am planning to enroll in the intermediate level Spanish language course when the next university semester officially begins in January. Can you tell me which specific professional skills you hope to acquire or significantly improve through joining the local industry networking group? You can answer, yes, I can tell you the specific professional skills I hope to acquire through joining the local industry networking group. Should we purchase a high-quality tent and specialized waterproof gear before embarking on our challenging multi-day mountain trekking expedition? You can answer, yes, we should purchase a high-quality tent and specialized waterproof gear before embarking on our challenging multi-day mountain trekking expedition. Have you researched the long-term career prospects for individuals who specialize in the rapidly evolving field of sustainable urban architecture? You can answer, no, I have not researched the long-term career prospects for individuals who specialize in the rapidly evolving field of sustainable urban architecture. Do you believe that actively teaching young people how to manage small personal investments is a valuable life skill that schools should introduce early? You can answer, yes, I believe that actively teaching young people how to manage small personal investments is a valuable life skill that schools should introduce early. Is the primary motivation behind your interest in learning professional photography to take better pictures of people or to capture beautiful natural landscapes? You can answer, the primary motivation behind my interest in learning professional photography is to capture beautiful natural landscapes. Will your future long-term professional goal involve establishing your own independent consulting business rather than working for a large corporate organization? You can answer, yes. My future long-term professional goal will involve establishing my own independent consulting business rather than working for a large corporate organization. Did you attend the free introductory workshop that focused on the basic techniques for repairing